air quality is 900 plus in Delhi NCR. 50 lakh masks are already been distributed. Schools are shut. 2 crore people are affected by the hazardous air pollution that Delhi is facing at the moment. Hello everyone, I'm Shirin Talwar, an image consultant and a soft skills trainer. In today's video, I will be sharing some quick tips and tricks that we can follow to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe during this hard time that Delhi is facing. Wear a mask whenever you go outdoors. Before investing in one, make sure that it's of a good fiber quality and NOISH approved, at least by N95 or N99. Hydrate yourself. Have lots and lots of water. I keep this huge glass with me and I keep sipping it in every 3 to 4 minutes and it really helps. Indoor plants give best oxygen. Have lots of them at each corner of your house and room. Few of the best air purifying indoor plants are golden pathos, aloe vera, snake plant, spider plant. In New Delhi we have lots of nurseries and all these plants are very easily available in them. After having a detailed discussion with my Ayurveda doctor, who is Dr. Shweta Avasthi Saxena, she suggested some food items that will be very useful for us to detoxify. First is to have citrus food. For example, amla. Amla can be consumed in the form of a chutney or achar. Second way is to have dry fruits, especially walnuts. Curry patta, tulsi patta really help to detoxify your system. Also, try to have as much ghar ka khana and sattvic food as possible. Our system is already going through a lot. Also, she suggested to have beautiful chants going on in the house or just to meditate so that we do not pollute our mind while this air pollution is enough. Mornings and evenings are the coolest. That means the air has the most hazardous particles at that point. That means we need to be careful that we do not open our windows in the morning and evening. The best time to open your doors and windows is when the sun is up. That means between 11:30 AM to 4:30 PM. That's when most of the smog is being eliminated. I had my yoga class today and my yoga instructor suggested not to breathe forcefully or do any kind of heavy exercise because we breathe in forcefully for oxygen, but if the oxygen is polluted, that means we are getting no energy at all. I practice Sudarshan Kriya daily. Even for Sudarshan Kriya, my teacher suggested not to do heavy pranayams or just breathe slowly and put as less effort as possible. However, exercise is very important and the best time to do that is in the afternoon. For someone who is having a lot of uneasiness in this air pollution, you can also go and invest in an air purifier. My friend works in Breathe Easy Consultancy and he suggested that the best air purifier is IQ Air, which is also a passive air purifier, but it covers 700 to 800 square feet area. The second best air purifier that he suggested was from the company Sharp. There are two models that work best, that is J80 and J40. Also, if you are facing a lot of uneasiness in your breathing, make sure you go and visit a good doctor. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it and comment below if you have any extra tips and tricks that you have been following. We can also connect on social media. All my handles are mentioned here and in the description box below. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.